हामीले ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल इक्वेसन एन्ड जनरल भ्यालु सम्बन्धी चैप्टर हायर म्याथमेटिक्स को सुरु गरेको छौं। यस हायर म्याथमेटिक्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेसन एन्ड जनरल भ्यालु पढ्नुभन्दा पहिला हामीलाई केही ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीका बेसिक कन्सेप्टहरुको बारेमा थाहा हुनु पर्दछ। यो भन्दा अगाडि क्लासमा हामीले त्यो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल, रेसिप्रोकल फर्मुला र पाइथागोरियन फर्मुला र क्वोसिएन्ट फर्मुला सम्बन्धी पढेका थियौं। आजको यो क्लासमा हामी त्यही बेसिक कन्सेप्ट अफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का के अझै कुराहरु हामीलाई पढ्न बाँकी छन्। ती कुराहरु कास्ट रुल अर्थात हामी स्ट्याक रुल भन्छौं, जनरली कास्ट रुल पनि भन्ने गर्छन्। आज हामी यही कास्ट रुल अर्थात स्ट्याक रुल हामी आजको क्लासमा पढ्ने छौं। स्ट्याक रुल यहाँ चारवटा अक्षर आएको छन्, ए एस टी सी। कतै कतै यसलाई CAST कास्ट रुल पनि भन्ने गरिन्छ। यसमा स्ट्याक ASTC स्ट्याक फर अल, S for sin and cosec, T for tan र cot, C for cos र sec हुने गरेकोले यसलाई स्ट्याक रुल अर्थात कास्ट रुल पनि भन्ने गरिन्छ। यो जस्तै हामीलाई क्वाड्रेन्ट चारवटा क्वाड्रेन्ट हुन्छन्। जस्तै यो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेन्ट, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेन्ट 90 डिग्री 0 डिग्री देखि लिएर 90 डिग्री सम्मलाई फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेन्ट भन्छ। सेकेन्ड क्वाड्रेन्ट 90 डिग्री देखि लिएर 180 डिग्री सम्मलाई सेकेन्ड क्वाड्रेन्ट। थर्ड क्वाड्रेन्ट 180 डिग्री देखि लिएर 270 डिग्री सम्म। फोर्थ क्वाड्रेन्ट 270 डिग्री लिएर 360 डिग्री सम्म। अर्थात यसलाई 0 डिग्री, यो 90 डिग्री को एक्सिस, 180 डिग्री को एक्सिस र 270 डिग्री को एक्सिस र यसलाई पनि 360 डिग्री अर्थात 0 डिग्री र 360 डिग्री को एउटै एक्सिस हुन्छन्। अब यसमा स्ट्याक अल पोजिटिभ, साइन र कोसेक मात्रै पोजिटिभ, ट्यान र कोट पोजिटिभ, कोस र सेक पोजिटिभ हुन्छ। अब यहाँ ASTC यसरी फर्स्ट, सेकेन्ड, थर्ड र फोर्थ सिरियल अनुसार चाहिँ यसलाई कर मिलाएर लेख्दाखेरि ASTC स्ट्याक अल, साइन, ट्यान र कोसेक हुन जान्छन्। त्यसैले हामी यसलाई स्ट्याक रुल भन्न गएको छौं र कतै कतै यसलाई कास्ट रुल पनि भन्ने गरिन्छन्। अब यसमा नोटका रूपमा नम्बर 1 at 90 degree and 270 degree trigonometric ratio are changed, that is sin cos, cos को sin, tan को cot र cot को tan, sec को cosec र कोसेकको सेक। नम्बर 2 at 0 degree, 180 degree and 360 degree. Change, that is sin को sin नै हुन्छ र cos को cos नै हुन्छ etc. यहाँ यदि ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो sin cos tan cosec cosec 6वटा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो अनुपातहरु त्रिकोणमितीय अनुपातहरु यदि 90 डिग्री र 270 डिग्री को मान लिएछ भने त्यो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो चेन्ज हुन्छ। जस्तै sin को cosec cos हुन्छ, cos को sin, tan को cot, cot को tan र sec को cosec, cosec को sec हुन्छ। यदि ती 6वटा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोहरु 0 डिग्री, 360 डिग्री, 180 डिग्री र 360 डिग्रीमा छ भने ती ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोहरु चेन्ज हुँदैन। जस्तै sin को sin मा रहन्छ, cos को cos मा रहन्छ, tan को tan मा रहन जान्छन्। अब यसको साथसाथै हामीलाई अर्को एन्टी क्लकवाइज पोजिटिभ डाइरेक्सन एन्ड नेगेटिभ डाइरेक्सनको बारेमा पनि हामीलाई बुझ्नु पर्छ। त यहाँ हेर्नुस्, पोजिटिभ डाइरेक्सन अर्थात् त्यसलाई एन्टी क्लकवाइज पोजिटिभ डाइरेक्सन। एन्टी क्लकवाइज भनेको घडीको उल्टो दिशामा घुम्नु, घडीको उल्टो दिशामा घुम्नु, घडीको उल्टो दिशामा घुम्नु। अनि नेगेटिभ डाइरेक्सन अर्थात् क्लकवाइज। भनेको घडीको दिशामा घुम्नु। जसरी घुम्छ घडी, घडी घुमिराखेको, घडीको सुई घुमिराखेको हुन्छ, त्यसरी नै यो घुम्नु डाइरेक्सन घडीकै डाइरेक्सनमा गएको हुन्छ, अर्थात् क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन हो। जसरी घडीको सुई घुमिराखेको हुन्छ त्यसरी घुम्नु भनेको नेगेटिभ डाइरेक्सन हो, क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन। अब हामीलाई यहाँ के कुरोहरु आउँछन्, जसरी कि अब तपाईको 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा। त 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा, माइनस भनेको क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन। कुन एक्सिसबाट? त 90 डिग्री को एक्सिसबाट। माइनस थीटा, थीटा भनेको कुनै पनि कोण हो, कुनै पनि एंगल हो। जसरी कि 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा, त 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा 90 डिग्री को एक्सिस यो हो, 90 डिग्री को एक्सिस यो हो। त्यदि यो 90 डिग्री को एक्सिस हो भने यो यताबाट क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन घुम्नु, त्यहाँबाट क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन घुम्छ भने, क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन घुम्छ भने, क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन घुम्छ भने यतातिर आउँछ, अर्थात् पहिलो क्वाड्रेन्टमा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेन्ट पर्यो। 90 डिग्री को एक्सिसबाट माइनस थीटा क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन घुम्यो भने पहिलो क्वाड्रेन्टमा आयो, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेन्टमा, अर्थात् 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्छ। हामीले यसरी बुझ्नुपर्छ। 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा कुन क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्छ त? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेन्टमा 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा पर्छ। त्यसैगरी 90 डिग्री प्लस थीटा, अब 90 डिग्री प्लस थीटा कुन क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्यो त? अब 90 डिग्री को एक्सिस यो हामीले मानेको छौं। अब यसमा 90 डिग्री क्वाड्रेन्ट मानेपछि 90 प्लस, प्लस भनेको एन्टी क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन। त एन्टी क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन भनेको घडीको उल्टो दिशा। त घडीको उल्टो दिशा यहाँबाट 90 डिग्री को एक्सिसबाट घडीको उल्टो दिशा भनेको पहिलो क्वाड्रेन्ट, यहाँबाट 90 डिग्री को एक्सिसबाट घडीको उल्टो दिशामा, घडीको सुईको उल्टो दिशामा घुम्दा भने एन्टी क्लकवाइज घुम्छ भने पहिलो क्वाड्रेन्ट सेकेन्ड क्वाड्रेन्टमा आयो, अर्थात् 90 डिग्री प्लस थीटा सेकेन्ड क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्यो 90 डिग्री प्लस थीटा सेकेन्ड क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्यो त्यसैगरी 180 डिग्री माइनस थीटा 180 डिग्री को एक्सिस यो माइनस भनेको क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन यहाँबाट क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन 180 डिग्री को एक्सिसबाट यदि क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन घुम्छ भने सेकेन्ड क्वाड्रेन्ट पर्यो अर्थात् 180 डिग्री माइनस थीटा सेकेन्ड क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्छ त्यसैगरी 180 डिग्री प्लस थीटा 180 डिग्री को एक्सिसबाट पोजिटिभ डाइरेक्सन नेगेटिभ डाइरेक्सनमा थर्ड क्वाड्रेन्ट पर्यो 180 डिग्री प्लस थीटा थर्ड क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्छ त्यस्तै 270 डिग्री माइनस थीटा माइनस भने क्लकवाइज त 270 डिग्रीबाट क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन घुम्दाखेरि थर्ड क्वाड्रेन्टमा 270 डिग्री प्लस माइनस थीटा यसै क्रममा 270 डिग्री प्लस थीटा फोर्थ क्वाड्रेन्टमा र 360 डिग्री माइनस थीटा क्लकवाइज 360 डिग्री माइनस थीटा फोर्थ क्वाड्रेन्ट अनि 360 डिग्री प्लस थीटा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्यो र यहाँ 0 डिग्री माइनस थीटा त 0 डिग्री को एक्सिस यो त यो 0 डिग्री को एक्सिस भएकोले यहाँबाट क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन घुम्छ भने फोर्थ क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्यो अर्थात् 0 डिग्री माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टु माइनस थीटा फोर्थ क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्यो माइनस थीटा भनेको 0 डिग्री माइनस थीटा अनि त्यस्तै 0 डिग्री प्लस थीटा भनेको फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेन्ट एन्टी क्लकवाइज डाइरेक्सन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेन्ट अर्थात् 0 डिग्री प्लस थीटा भनेको थीटा नै फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्यो त फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेन्टमा अल भनेको छवटै all 6 trigonometric ratio all means all 6 trigonometric ratio there are 6 kinds of trigonometric sine cos tan cot cosec and sec 6 trigonometric ratio all are positive in first quadrant and here in second quadrant sine and cosec only positive in second quadrant but other 4 trigonometric ratio are negative in second quadrant such as in third quadrant T A S T in number 3 there is T letter T for tan and cot so tan lies in third quadrant T lies on third quadrant in number 3 so tan and cot are only positive in third quadrant and other remaining 4 trigonometric ratio are negative in third quadrant such as cos and sec ASTC at number 4 there is C letter C for cos and sec so in number 4 there is C letter so C for cos and sec it means in fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive in fourth quadrant and other remaining sine cosec tan and cot are negative in fourth quadrant now we come on the table look on this table this is trigonometric ratio 3 trigonometric ratio sine cos and tan if we find the trigonometric ratio at 90 degree minus theta and 90 degree plus such as etc and so on then we can also find the trigonometric ratio of sec cosec and cot first we find the trigonometric ratio at 90 degree minus theta 90 degree plus theta and so on of the sine and cos and tan now look on this table and look on this chart and as the rule of the cast or stack there are 4 quadrants first quadrant second quadrant third quadrant fourth quadrant and there are also 2 nodes at 90 degree and 270 degree the trigonometric ratio are change it means sine change into cos and cos change into sine and tan change into cot and cot change into tan such as sec change into cosec and cosec change into sec but at 0 degree 180 degree and 60 degree the trigonometric ratio are not changed it means sine remains sine and cos remains cos now here is 90 degree minus theta it means sine 90 degree minus theta look sine 90 degree means theta this is axis of 90 degree and here is minus theta minus means clockwise direction from the axis of 90 degree, if we rotate in clockwise direction, we get at first quadrant. So at first quadrant, so 90 degree minus theta lies in the first quadrant. If 90 degree minus theta lies in first quadrant, there is the rule in first quadrant all trigonometric ratio are positive. It means sine is positive. Sine is positive. But at 90 degree the trigonometric ratio are changed. It means sine change into cos. So cos theta. It means sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. But the plus is hidden. Now sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. If we find sine cos 90 degree minus theta, so 90 degree minus theta lies in the first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive, so cos is positive, but at 90 degree cos change into sine, so sine theta plus sine theta. It means sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sine theta. Now tan 90 degree minus theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta. Also 90 degree minus theta lies in first quadrant, and at first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. So at 90 degree tan is changed into cot. Change into cot plus cot theta. It means tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Now find the trigonometric ratio of sine 90 degree plus theta. Now 90 degree plus theta. This is the axis of 90 degree. And plus means anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means the opposite direction of the clockwise direction. And from 90 degree, if we rotate in anti-clockwise direction from 90 degree, then we get in second quadrant. It means 90 degree plus theta lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are only positive. Other remaining four trigonometric ratio cos, sec, tan and cotec are negative. It means sine is positive. Here is sine. It means it is positive. And 90 degree plus theta. It means at 90 degree the trigonometric ratio are changed. Sine change into cos. It means sine 90 degree plus theta is equal to cos theta. So 90 degree plus sine 90 degree plus theta is equal to cos theta. Now cos 90 degree plus theta. 90 degree plus theta lies in the second quadrant, but cos is negative in second quadrant. Why? Because sine and cosec are only positive in second quadrant. It means sine cos is negative in second quadrant. It means negative, and but at 90 degree the trigonometric ratio cos change into sine. So cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Now look at tan. So tan is negative in second quadrant. At 90 degree it is changed, so cot theta minus cot theta. Now at 180 degree. So find sine 180 degree minus theta. So it's 180 degree minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. At 180 degree, the trigonometric ratio are not changed. It means sine remains sine. So sine 180 degree minus theta is equal to sine theta. So cos is minus cos theta, not change at 90 degree, minus tan theta. So sine 180 degree plus theta in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sine is negative. Only tan and cot are positive. Sine is negative, so negative at 180 degree. The trigonometric ratio are not changed. So sine theta cos. In third quadrant, cos is negative, so minus cos theta. Tan in third quadrant, the tan and cot are positive, so tan is plus at 180 degree. Trigonometric ratio are not changed, so tan theta. So just sine to 270 degree minus theta in third quadrant, so minus cos theta, cos minus sine theta, tan cot theta. So sin 270 degree plus theta is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sin is negative. At 270 degree, the trigonometric ratio are changed. Sin change into cos theta. Cos change into sin theta. But 270 degree plus theta is in first quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. So cos is positive. At 270 degree, the ratio are changed sin theta. And tan is in negative. So minus cot theta. 360 degree minus theta. In fourth quadrant, sin is negative, so minus 360 degree, no change. So sin theta and cos is cos theta. In fourth quadrant, the cos is positive and tan is minus tan theta. Now 360 degree plus theta is in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive, but at 360 degree, no change. It means sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Now come on this point. If 0 degree minus theta, 0 degree minus theta is equal to minus theta. So since sin 0 degree minus theta means minus sin theta, if sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, 0 degree minus theta, this is axis of 0 degree minus 0 minus theta. Minus means clockwise direction. Minus means clockwise direction. If we rotate in clockwise direction from 0 degree, then we get fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are only positive, other are negative. So sin is negative, and at 0 degree, no change. So sin theta and cos is cos theta, because in fourth quadrant minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos is positive, so cos theta. But tan is negative, so tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. This is a rule of stack. This is a rule of stack or cast. If we say this rule stack, then it is easy to remember, because M lies in first quadrant, S lies in second quadrant, it means sin lies in second quadrant, T for tan lies in third quadrant, and C for cos lies in fourth quadrant. And in serial wise, A, S, T, C. A, S, T, C. So if we remind in any times A, S, T, C, first, second, third, and fourth. So it is easy to remember these rules to call this a stack. Now this is a stack rule. We can find any value. We can find any value of trigonometric ratio at any angles by using this formula, using this rule. At first we have to learn only the trigonometric value of 0 degree to 90 degree, and after that we can find any value of any angle of trigonometric ratio at any angles. Now come on the next formula. The next formula of the trigonometric, basic concept of the trigonometric ratio is next formula is compound angle formula. Compound angle formula. Now look at the compound angle formula. Number 1. First, what is compound? Compound means the combination of 2 or more than 2 angles. But we need only the 2 angles. Only the 2 or 3 angles. 2 or 3 angles. So first we study about 2 angles. That angles let we A and B. Also we can write alpha and beta. Now sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Number 2, sin A minus B. Now look, if we learn this formula, sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A and sin B, then we haven't learned this sin A minus B, because only change in this formula of sin A minus B the sign of plus, that is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. There are no any difference in these two formula. Only difference is the sign of plus change into minus in the formula of sin A minus B. Number 2, cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B plus. If here is plus, then in the formula there is minus. So sin A sin B. Number 4, cos A minus B cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Number 5, tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Number 6, tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Number 7, cot A plus B is equal to cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Cot A minus B is equal to cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B minus cot A. These are the formula. Now number 9, if sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to, the formula is sin square A minus sin square B, and other formula is cos square B minus cos square A. If you verify this formula, such as left hand side, in left hand side sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Now the formula of sin A plus B is here is the formula of sin A plus B. This we write first sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and dot into the formula of sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. And now this is in the form of A plus B and A minus B. The formula is A square minus B square, and so use this formula. So sin square A cos square B minus cos square A sin square B. Then change by using the Pythagorean identities, cos into sin. So sin square A is same to same. Now use the formula of cos square B. This is in the Pythagorean identity is 1 minus sin square B. Such as change this cos square A by using the Pythagorean identities, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A into sin square B. Now multiply this 1 minus sin square B by sin square A. This then sin square, we get sin square A minus sin square A cos square sin square B. Now multiply this by the cos sin square B. So we get 1 into sin square B is equal to sin square B, and the product of minus into minus is plus, and sin square A into sin square B. This minus sin square A and sin square B and plus sin square A and minus sin square B are cancelled, and the remaining sin square A minus sin square B. Such as we can verify this formula. Now if we reduce this in cos, in the form of cos, so by using the Pythagorean identities, change the sin square A into cos square. So in cos, so 1 minus cos square B A, and by multiplying by minus, so 1 minus cos square b. If we multiply by minus, then cos square a multiply this minus, then minus 1 minus into minus is equal to plus, and cos square b. This plus 1 and minus 1 are cancelled, and remaining cos square b and minus cos square a. So this is formula of sin square a plus cos sin a. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b, and other in cos form, the cos square b minus cos square a. Similarly, we can write in number 10 cos a plus b and cos a minus b is equal to, the formula is cos square a minus sin square b, and other formula is cos square b minus sin square a. These are two formula number. These are 10 formula of the compound angle formulas. In solving the question about this chapter compound angle formula or trigonometrical equation or general value, we also needs the properties of the proportions. And what are the properties of the proportion? Now look about the properties of the proportion. B, C, D are in proportion. Now first, what is proportions? The proportion means two or more than two ratios are the equality of two or more than two ratios is called proportionals. Now here are the four numbers A, B, C, D. Consider there are four numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion. Then divide these four number as the pair of two number in the ratio. For example, A is to B and C is to D are equal. It means A is to B equal to C is to D. These two ratios are equals if A, B, C, D are in proportion. And we can also write if A by B is equal to C by D, these ratios are convert in the divide in fraction. A by B is equal to C by D. Then there are 6 properties. Then number one alternando. What is alternando? If A by B is equal to C by D, then the alternando properties of the proportional is in alternando, the replace of A and D are changed or B and C are changed. It means in alternando property we replace A to B. For example, D by B or C by A, or we can also change, also write A by C equal to B by D. This is alternando properties. Number 2, invertendo. The invertendo properties, the reciprocal of this proportion, the reciprocal of this ratio. It means B by D, B by A and D by C. This is a invertendo properties. Number 3, componendo. In componendo, the denominator is added in numerator. The denominator is added in numerator. For example, A plus B, that is A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. In componendo properties, this denominator is added in numerator. This denominator is added in denominator. Number 4, dividendo. In dividendo properties, this denominator is subtracted from the numerator. It means A minus B by B and this denominator is subtracted from the numerator c minus d by d. And number 5, componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. In componendo and dividendo, this denominator is added in numerator, and in numerator this denominator is added in numerator a, and in denominator this denominator is subtracted from numerator a, such as in this fraction c by d. In numerator d is added in c, and in denominator d is subtracted from d. It means this componendo and dividendo are divided. In componendo divided by dividendo, it means a plus b by a minus b. A plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. This is the componendo and dividendo properties. And number 6, addendo properties. Addendo properties is a by b is equal to c by d is equal to a plus c by b plus d. In numerator, this numerator and this numerator c are added. In denominator, this denominator are added in addendo properties. These are the 6 properties of the proportionals. Mostly there is used in solving the problem componendo and dividendo problem. Mostly use this properties of the proportional in solving the trigonometric equation. Mostly a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus b d. This property is mostly recently used in the solving problem of the trigonometric. Now next formula is multiple angle formula. In multiple formula, number 1, double angle formula. Double angle formula sine 2a. First, we know that what is multiple angle. Multiple means, for example, multiple of 2. Then what are the multiple of 2? Then multiply by 1 in 2, so 2, multiply in 2 by 2, so 4, multiply in 2 by 3, and so on, 3, so 6, 8, and so on, 10, 12. These are the multiple of 2. And another multiple of 3. So multiple in 3 by 1, then 3, multiple by in 3 by 2, then 6, multiply in 3 by 3, then 9, multiply in 3 by 4, then 12, and so on, 15, 18, etc. These are the multiple of these 2 and 3. Such as if we find the multiple of a, then multiply in a by 1, then a, multiply in a by 2, then 2a, multiply in a by 3, then 3a, and so on, 4a, 5a, n to n a. These are the multiple of a. If a is any angle, then these are the multiple angles. If a is any angle, and these are the multiple angle of a, these are the, it means we can define the multiple of the angle in this way. These are the multiple angle of a. It means this is a, and this is double angle, double, this is triple, and this is 4 times, and this is 5 times of the angle a. Now the formula of sine 2a is equal to sine a 2 sine a into cos a. In the form, this is the in term of sine a and cos a. This is the formula of sine 2a in term of sine a and cos a. And in term of tan, the formula of sine 2a is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. This is the formula of sine 2a in term of tan. Number 2, cos 2a. Then the in term of sine and cos is sine cos square a minus sine square a. In term of only cos, then 2 cos square a minus 1. In term of sine, then 1 minus 2 sine square a. In term of tan, 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. In term of cot square a minus 1 by cot square a plus 1. And number 3, tan 2a. The formula of tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. And number 4, cot 2a is equal to cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. These are the double angle formula. And triple angle formula. Triple angle formula. The triple angle formula is number 5, sine 3a. The formula of sine 3a is 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Number 7, tan 3 tan a minus tan square a by 1 minus 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Number 8, cot 3a is equal to 3 cot square a minus 1 by cot cube a minus 3 cot a. These are the triple angle formula. This is double angle formula and these are the triple angle formula. Now half angle formula. Half angle formula. In half angle formula, the half of 2a is a, the half of 2a is a, and the half of a is a by 2, and the half of a is a by 2. It means sin a is equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, such as tan a by 2 a by 2. And the half of 2a is 2, so cos a is equal to cos a by 2 and sin square a by 2. And a by 2, a by 2, a by 2, and a by 2. Now here is also a by 2, a by 2. And a by 2, a by 2, a by 2, a by 2. These are the half angle formula, such as sub-triple angle formula, sub-triple angle formula, sub-triple angle formula, and sub-triple angle formula. Then the 1/3 of 3a is equal to a, 1/3 of 3a is equal to a, 1/3 of 3a is equal to 1/3 of 3a is equal to a. So 1/3 of a is equal to 1 by 3 a by 3, 1/3 of a is equal to a by 3, 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 a by 3. These are the 1/3 of the angle a. A is a by 3. It's called sub-triple angle formula. It's called sub-triple angle formula. One is the key point. One is the key point of this formula. One of the key point of this formula that cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. If this one come in left side, so minus 1 is plus 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a. It means in number 9, 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a. In number 10, and again cos 2a is equal to in term of sine 1 minus 2 sine square a. If this minus 2 sine square a became in left side, then 2 cosine square a plus 2 cosine square a, there is at one place, one is at one place, and this cos 2a became in left side, then minus cos 2a. It means 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a. And another key point is cos 2a is equal to in term of tan 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. This is the formula in tan of cos 2a. Now if we cross multiply, then cos 2a is multiplied by 1 plus tan square a. So cos 2a into 1, cos 2a plus 2 cos 2a into tan square a is equal to, then multiply in 1 minus tan square a by 1, then 1 minus tan square a. Now this cos 2a now this tan square minus tan square a become in left side, so tan square a, and this is at one place, this is at the same place, cos 2a into tan square a. Now 1 is at in same place, 1, this cos 2a became in right side, so minus cos 2a. Now in left sides there is tan square a is in common, so taking common tan square a, we get 1 plus cos 2a, 1 plus cos 2a by taking tan square a in common. Here in left side 1 minus, in right side 1 minus cos 2a. Now tan square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a, and this 1 plus cos 2a is in multiplication form of the tan square a. So if 1 plus cos 2a went in right side, then it is in divide 1 plus cos 2a. It means the tan square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. These two key points, these two formula are very important to solving the trigonometric problem. In trigonometric problems. Now these are the multiple angle formula. Now we come on the transformation formula. Transformation of addition into multiplication. The formula is number one sin a plus sin b is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Number 2, sin a minus sin b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 and sin a minus b by 2. Number 3, cos a plus cos b to cos a plus b by 2 and cos a minus b by 2. Cos a minus cos b is equal to 2 times sin a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b minus a by 2. And other sign, we know the sign minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and here is sin b minus a by 2. If we take common minus, if we take minus common in b minus a, then it is a minus b by 2, and this is consider this is a minus b is theta, so sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Consider a minus b by 2 is theta, so minus sin theta, a minus b by 2. So the formula is minus 2 times sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. Consider a is equal to x plus y and b is equal to x minus y. Consider a is equal to x plus y and b is equal to x minus y. Now, in left hand side, sin a plus sin b, put the value of a is x plus y and the value of b is x minus y. Using the formula of sin a plus b, it means sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, plus using the formula of sin a minus b, it means sin x minus y, then sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Now this plus cos x sin y minus cos x sin x are cancelled. Then sin x cos y plus sin x cos y is 2 times sin x cos y. From these two, x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is equal to b. Solving these two equations, if we add them, then plus y and minus x are cancelled, then it is 2x, x plus x is equal to 2x, then a plus b, it means the value of x is equal to a plus b by 2. If we subtract x plus y is equal to a, x minus y is equal to b. If we subtract this, then this is minus and this minus change into plus, then minus into minus is equal to plus, and this is there is minus, so plus x and minus x cancel, y minus y plus y is equal to 2y, and this is a minus b. It means y is equal to, or y is equal to a minus b by 2. So putting this value, solving this, x is equal to a plus b by 2 and y is equal to a minus b by 2. X is equal to a plus b by 2. By putting these values, 2 times sin the value of x is a plus b by 2 cos, and the value of y is equal to a minus b by 2. This is the right hand side. This is right hand side of this formula. Similarly, other three identities we can prove by this in this way. Now, number two, transformation of multiplication into addition. Identities. Number 1, 2 sin a cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Number 2, 2 times cos a sin b sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Number 3, 2 times cos a cos b is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Number 4, 2 times sin a sin b is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. These are the multiplication into addition identities of the transformation formula. Now, come on the next step. The next step is, next formula is conditional identities. Conditional identities. Now, take a triangle naming by A, B, C. There are 3 angles: angle A, angle B, angle C. So in triangle, the sum of 3 interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of 3 angles is 180 degree, and 180 degree is written in radian by pi radian. So a plus b plus c is equal to pi radian. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi radian, if c went in right side, so a plus b is equal to pi radian minus c. If b went in right side, so a plus c is equal to pi radian minus b. If a went in right sides, so b plus c is equal to pi radian minus a. Now, if we dividing both sides by 2, then we get a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to pi radian by 2. That means pi radian by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2. Pi radian means 180 degree, and dividing by 2 is equal to 90 degree. That means pi by 2 is equal to 90 degree. Now, take a by 2 plus b by 2 if c by 2 went in right side, so pi radian by 2 minus c by 2, such as f by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to pi radian by 2 minus b by 2, and b by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to pi radian by 2 minus a by 2. Now, if we take sine, number 1, if we take sine in both sides, a plus b is equal to sine pi radian minus c. So we in cast rule, stack rule, 180 degree, pi for 180 degree, 180 degree minus theta. So 180 degree minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive at 180 degree, no change, so sine theta. It means sine 180 degree minus c is equal to sine c. Number 2, if we taking cos on both sides, a plus b is equal to cos pi radian minus c. Then in second quadrant, cos is negative, so at 180 degree, no change, so cos minus cos c. So number 3, tan a minus b is equal to tan, taking tan on both sides, pi minus c. So in second quadrant, tan is negative and at 180 degree, no change, sin tan c. Number 4, in this identities, in this term, a plus c is equal to pi minus b. If we take both sides sine, if we taking sine on both sides, so sine a plus c is equal to sine pi minus b. Using the same properties, same process, so sine b. Number 5, sine, yes, cos a plus c, cos a plus c is cos pi minus c, b is equal to minus cos b. Number 6, tan a plus c, b is equal to minus tan b. Number 7, in this term, b plus c is equal to pi minus a, taking both sides sine, so sine b plus c is equal to sine pi radian minus a is equal to sine a. Now, by dividing both sides by 2, then a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 in term of a by 2 plus b by 2, a is equal to pi by 2 minus a by 2, taking both sides sine, so sine a by 2 plus b by 2, it is cos. So 90, we know that cos 90 degree minus theta, 90 degree minus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all is positive, but at 90 degrees, sign change into cos theta. So cos c. Now for a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to pi by 2. a by 2 equal to sine c by 2. These are the conditional properties. Conditional identity. These are the conditional identities. Now this is all are taught of the basic trigonometric problems, basic trigonometric formulas. Now problem of the trigonometric by using these formula in next video. So don't forget to like and subscribe these channels